Hi, this is Michelle Kassorla, and I teach English at Georgia State University, Perimeter College. And I'm just going to introduce you really quickly to NotebookLM. This is an incredible resource for anyone who's in education. And I'm just going to tell you how this works. You can create a new notebook at any time. And the advantage of NotebookLM is that the AI is focused only on what you put into the notebook, and it does not go outside of the notebook. So you can focus this to anything that you want to study or research deeply. And over here, you have a whole bunch of wonderful resources that you can create with the sources in your notebook. Everything is free, by the way. This is incredible. It's an incredible resource by Google. You will find NotebookLM at notebook.google.com. You can create audio overviews, video overviews, and look at this, for goodness sakes. You can do a deep dive, brief, critique, or debate, and it's done in a podcast format. You can do a video overview where you can even choose your languages. You can also do this in audio overview. There's all these different languages. So even if you have your sources in English, you can listen to an audio or a video overview in your native tongue. Or if you are studying a foreign language, you can listen to it in that language. Here's your mind map. This will allow you to see all kinds of different aspects of this if you want to focus down to a particular aspect of whatever source you have in here. And again, I'm telling you, this is only what's in your notebook. So it's very, very useful. If you're adding sources, you just go to add here. You can add things from your Google Drive, for example, notes from your class. You can add websites, YouTube, and you can, if worst comes to worst, copy and paste text right into NotebookLM. You can also use it to discover sources that you might want to upload into your notebook. You just have to ask it to find me some resources in neuroimaging and AI for my research project. Make sure they are scholarly. And I can submit this, and it will come up with scholarly resources for me to add to my notebook. It comes up with them very, very quickly, and I can add them to my notebook very easily by just hitting import. I can choose which ones I want. It's just amazing. Okay, over here, also, you can do reports, and the reports can be you can create your own type of report. You can do a briefing document, a study guide of the material that's in your notebook, or a blog post, research proposal, white paper, explanatory article, case study collection, any of these. And every day it gets better and more interesting and more useful. It's an incredible resource for any student to start really understanding what you need to read, what you need to research, and what you need to study for your classes. So I hope this was really helpful to you. Again, this is Michelle Kassorla, and I am coming to you from Georgia State University, Perimeter College.